Eric DIY with another great video review for you. Today we're going to review the AngLink Portable Camping Shower. So as we look at what's in the box, you have your tubing for the shower. You have the battery pack, which does not get submerged. This is a new design, so the battery pack stays on the outside. You have the water pump right here. That goes in whatever bucket you're going to have the water go up from. You have the shower attachment here. This is a mounting device. You can actually mount the suction cup or hang it, which is what we're going to do. And then it has a USB cable to charge the shower and directions. Today we're going to put it into our Ozark Trail Shower Shelter. And as usual, whenever we camp, we try to do it in a conscientious and also awesome way, which is with the Power solar panel charging kit. And we're going to charge the battery for the shower right here. And we're going to leave it charging. It does have a red light to show you if it's charging or not. So that's a nice feature to have. When first setting this up, we're going to take the main hose, and they have little O-rings that they give you. You're going to put one right in the attachment point of the hose, and then you're going to screw on the shower head like so. Being very careful that you don't strip any threads. The next step, and probably the trickiest, is taking the hook that we're going to hang the shower off of, finding a place to hang it. You can hang it off of here, on one of these little loops in the Ozark Trail thing. Hang it up here, or here. Again, they also have a suction cup, so that way if you're with your car camping, you can also just stick it to the window of the car. Once you find a suitable place to hang the hook, you're going to stick the hose through it, so that way the shower head is ready to go, and then we'll hook up the hose to the main pump. So again, the hook is already on the hose, ready to go. We're going to go to the other side of the hose, and we're going to plug it right into the pump, which is this part right here. I'm going to put it through the hole, and I'm going to attach it right on top of this nipple part there. I'm going to push down and twist to make sure we get a good connection, and that's what's going to go in your bucket to pump water out. So I'm very lazily just going to leave it hanging there, but this pulls right off when you need it, and you can angle it to wherever you want to. If you're showering, you can come right on you, no problem. And the hose does reach all the way to the bottom to put in a bucket to suck water out. This is an updated design. The battery used to come in the pump, but now with the new design, the battery is separate from the pump. Again, this is the USB cord that charged it. It's all charged up, and what you do is you just take the black cord coming out of the pump, and you're just going to carefully put it into the hole, the DC jack, and then you're going to twist it down and turn it until it locks. That's it. That's your battery pack and also your on-off switch for the shower. This is waterproof for splashes and stuff, but you cannot submerge it in water. The only thing that will be submerged in the water is the pump. So I decided to put the shower head there. We'll detach it. And I have this big thing, 7 gallons of water down there. It will not have to use all 7 gallons, obviously, but I want to try using that for today for my water. And we're going to put this inside that bucket. Keep the power switch coming out, which is long enough to do that, and we'll see how it sprays. It fit perfectly in that hole. In fact, that was just the right size to get it in there. We have the on-off switch here. We have it pointing down in the corner. Of course, you're gonna take that off when you shower. And again, this is in the Ozark Shower Shelter. So let's turn it on to see what happens. Water's probably gonna be spouting down the side here, going down to there, but let's see what happens. Just turn it on. You can hear it starting up. First time I tried it, it had some air in the pump, but it works perfectly now. So just get the air out of the pump, and it's going to work great. We'll turn it on, and I'm going to try to quickly grab it with the other hand. So turning it on, pushing the button, and there you go. Look at that pressure. That's pretty good pressure right there. And that's actually really good pressure. I'm surprised at how much water is being pumped out of there. So yeah. Goes right out of there and out. And again, the on-off switch is that button there, so we'll actually have to turn it off that way. This way it sprays right out here in the middle of the floor. So I'm actually going to take a quick shower with this, and we will be using Dr. Bronner's Pure Castile soap, if I said that correctly. This stuff's excellent when you're camping because it's biodegradable. You still want to keep 200 feet away from water, but it naturally biodegrades into the ground over time. You just don't want it to go into the water. I'm going to leave a link in the description below if you want to get some of this stuff. It's excellent. It comes in different scents, and you can actually use this. I've used it to wash dishes and also take showers with, and it's an excellent product. So the shower definitely works. It's actually really good. It's got a really good flow rate, so much so that it uses a lot of water. I pulsed it on and off after a while because of the amount of water, and I actually had to move it down there because it pumped out so much water that it had the pump running dry a little bit. So make sure that you have the on-off switch and you only turn it on when you need it and off when you need it if you're camping out in the wild, and you should be all set. And I used the camping trail microfiber towel set to wash and also to dry with. So if you want to see the review on this, these are excellent. I'll leave a link in the description below. And finally, I just wanted to show you that the suction cup, which you use the same attachment, you just take the hook off, store it, put the suction cup on, that you can actually attach it to your car, and you can use it for showering at the beach or anything like that. Turn it on, and as you can see, it's pretty powerful, the stream that they give you. Last thoughts about this: it'd be nice to see a slightly longer water hose and a slightly longer power cord for the on-off switch. Also, if they could have a design where the head was able to be changed with the different flow rates, that'd be nice too, because as I showed you in the camping tent, this works great. You could take a shower with no problem, but it goes through a lot of water if you leave it on, as you can see right now. But overall, it's an excellent shower. Definitely the one I'm going to use in my shower tent when I go camping. That water container is about 7 gallons, and I would say at this shower, we'll probably go through those 7 gallons in about 7 to 10 minutes. So as long as you have enough water provided, it gives you great pressure for a pump, and 7 to 10 minutes isn't bad. Again, if you're showering while camping though, you might want to turn it on when you're rinsing, turn it off when you're soaping up. So that will make it definitely last for a couple days. And that was my review of the AngLink Portable Camping Shower. Excellent shower, very high flow rate. That's why you want to pulse that thing on and off if you're trying to save water. If you're out just washing your car or using it at the beach, let it flow, but it is an excellent product. I highly recommend it if you're looking for a camping shower. Definitely going to be my go-to. So, if you'd like to purchase the AngLink Portable Camping Shower, please look for a link in the description below. We'll send you to Amazon, where you can purchase your very own. Every purchase will help support the Eric DIY channel, and we appreciate all your support. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, please give us a thumbs up and push that subscribe button below. And while you're there, why not push on the bell notification icon so that way you can be notified of future Eric DIY video releases. We appreciate everything you do for us. Thank you, and have an awesome day. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.